Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mariam. If you've been watching me, thank you very much for sticking with the family. If you're not subscribed yet, please click on that subscribe button, like and share my video, just in case unga kuda a video and then I invited guests because I opened everywhere like to air the place, and some of them might have entered into the house. So in case kungans to just know that they are invited guests. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about some skincare that you will never regret starting soon. So let's just dive into the video, and please subscribe if you're not. So the first skincare that you will never regret starting soon is using silk pillow. I know when I it's something for you to help take care of your skin. So using silk pillowcase is the best thing that is going to happen to your skin, because just imagine Kingdom Maduka skincare routine, thank you, all your skincare products that you've spent thousands of naira to buy, and then you finished all your skincare routine, and then you now came and lie down on your cotton pillowcase. Just imagine cotton pillowcase inki is going to pack everything from the face. Kamama pillow and that skincare. So it's going to strip the face. But when you use the silk pillowcase is not going to absorb everything from your face. It's going to allow everything to still stay on your face. Yes, it's very, very gentle. It is not hard on your skin. It will allow your skin to continue to stay hydrated. Pillowcase is not going to pull away all your products, and it is not going to pull away all the moisture from your skin. Your skin is going to stay hydrated. It's going to stay soft and plump. One good thing about using silk pillowcase is that normally when you lie down on your skin, you might be prone to causing wrinkles on your face. But silk pillowcases are known for their superior smoothness, so they are very, very gentle on your skin, and they might prevent all these unnecessary wrinkles that you get from lying down on other types of pillowcase. Second skincare that you would never regret starting soon is to get regular facials. When you get regular facials, you are going to help your skin suicide. I know the economy might not be favorable for you to be getting regular facials, but guys, there are a lot of affordable products that you can do your facials at home, and you're still going to get the results that you need. For example, my brand, The Essence by MKJ, we sell affordable conventional skincare, so you can use them for your regular facials. And there are a lot of other skincare products that you can use to start doing your facials on a regular basis. So when you do your facials on a regular basis, what happens is you are exfoliating your skin. You are also helping with the cell turnover, so improving the hydration on your face. You're also going to improve your skin like coloration. Your skin is going to be evened out. It's going to be very, very even. And you're also going to reduce the appearance of dark spots on your skin, which is very, very important, and your skin is going to stay bright, healthy, and happy. You guys should always get products that you really, really need. Don't waste your money on products that you don't need. But this is my favorite vendor, she introduced a product, you just go and buy. Advert on products in you just go and buy. My favorite celebrity is advertising this product, you go and buy. Stop wasting your money on products that you don't need. You are not helping your face, you are not helping your bank account, you are not helping anybody. Okay, you're helping us because you're helping our bank accounts get fatter. But one thing I do, if you're my customer, you know that I never allow my customers to buy products they don't need. One thing you need to know is that skincare is very, very personal, and skincare is not one size fits all. So everyone is going to have products that are going to work for him. Just because I use these products and they are working very well for my face does not mean that when you use them, they are going to work very, very good for your skin. On the side, don't think that all these your influencers and your celebrities are actually using the products they are advertising. I can assure you 70% of them are not using the products they are advertising. People do advertisement in order to get money, like it is a source of income for people. So don't say that, yes, my favorite celebrity, my favorite influencer is using this and I also want to use this, just because she's using it, she might not even actually be using it. So whenever you want to buy skincare, make sure it's what your skin needs and do not waste your money. If you're not subscribed up to this point, please click on the subscribe button and drop a comment before you continue watching. Have you ever bought a product just because your favorite influencer advertised it, and did it work for you? I want to hear all the disappointment stories in that I am sure so everyone is expecting it. Guys, never ever underestimate the power of sunscreen. So you will never regret using sunscreen regularly. And by the way, just because anti sunscreen, it only means you are going to use it outside when you are going into the sun. No, indoors use sunscreen, outside use sunscreen, going into the pool use sunscreen. Just use sunscreen whenever you can and reapply whenever you can. Using sunscreen prevents premature aging. It also prevents discoloration. It prevents you from sunburn. It prevents you from getting skin cancer. It prevents you from getting inflammations on your skin. Guys, the uses of sunscreen cannot be listed in this video. It has a lot of benefits, and if you're not using sunscreen, please, I am on my knees begging you, you guys should get a very good sunscreen for your skin and start using it. So the last one is develop a consistent skincare routine. One of the most important things in skincare is consistency, and it is one of the things that I battle the most with my customers and my clients. A lot of people don't like being consistent. I don't know why. Consistent skincare routine is the best gift you are ever going to give your skin. Yes, skincare is very, very important, but the best skincare is a consistent one. So you don't have to like develop a skincare routine that has 1,000 products. You can make your consistent skincare routine with just 3 skincare products that works for you, 3 skincare products that really works for you, and then continue to apply them. You can just make, yes, I'm always going to apply sunscreen on my body, just make it consistent, and zakuga changes, zakuga abubwa. You have to make 10-step skincare routine for it to be viable. I don't know, but you guys know what I mean. You don't need like 10-step skincare routine. You only need a very, very consistent skincare routine. So just look at yourself. You know what you can do. You know the time you have. Just develop a consistent routine based on your time, based on how you are as a person. This is the end of this video. If you find it helpful, give me a thumbs up. Even if you do not find it helpful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, like and share, and watch my ads. Please, 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 please watch my ads. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.